There has been times where you've had 2 weeks of trades every single day and they've all been positive, which I was like, okay, that's even crazier. This business can bring a lot of money to people and money corrupts people. In this game, you need to wake up every single day. You need to face the market. Maybe you lost money yesterday, you made money, but you need to come with a positive mindset. And I don't think a lot of people can do that consistently. And I've seen you do that consistently for 2 years.
Okay, Alex, my brother.
What's up, my man? How are you doing?
Oh yeah, never been better. Whenever I see you,
Ah, come on, you're making me blush.
ah, I must say, firstly, of course, we met at a event, and you became family,
For sure,
and we've done so well, and there's so much that I admire and respect about you.
Likewise, bro.
And I wanted to just ask a few things so that our viewers they get some sort of
Sure,
understanding.
man. Shoot, tell me.
And you have to be completely honest.
I will be completely honest. No
Yes,
filter.
No filter. Yeah, you just as you are.
I will straight up, man.
Yeah. So, firstly, I want to ask you, bro. Like, what's your opinion? Like, what do you think about me as a person?
Look, ever since COVID, I've been involved in the FX industry and trading on my own personal journey, also looking at how to turn it into a business. And obviously, I've seen many traders along the way. And I think one thing that I really appreciated about you is that not only are you the trader, but you also have the entertainment side. You know how to talk, you know how to make it fun or enjoyable to learn how to trade. And I don't think right now, the spectrum is a guy in a Lamborghini who's 21 with 10 years experience, meaning he started when he was 11 years old. I don't know how it's possible. Who can't even string a fucking sentence together. This is the truth. Or you have a guy who's like super nerdy, like almost on the spectrum, who can't hold a conversation and isn't very interesting to watch. Because a lot of people in this industry, they want to make it their full-time job. They want to become full-time traders. But the truth is that the amount of time that it's going to take you to actually master the skill, people don't have patience.
Yes.
Okay? So they want to be with someone they can trust, someone they can learn, but also someone that they can enjoy the journey along the way. They can catch a bit of joke, they can have a little bit of a sense of humor, they can enjoy the whole thing. And I think you and your community that you're building really offer that. And I think that was something that caught my attention. I also like the style and the way that you trade. It's definitely high leverage. It's definitely high risk in a lot of ways. It's day trading. It's scalping. But to see a whole week of trades and they're all positive except for 2, I had never seen that before.
Wow.
So that really caught my attention as well. And there has been times where you've had 2 weeks of trades every single day and they've all been positive, which I was like, okay, that's even crazier.
Yeah.
And I think on top of all of that, it's the level of professionalism. Now, this business can bring a lot of money to people.
Yes.
And money corrupts people. It corrupts their morals, number one, but it also corrupts their work ethic.
Yes.
And in this game, you need to wake up every single day. You need to face the market. Maybe you lost money yesterday, you made money, but you need to come with a positive mindset. And I don't think a lot of people can do that consistently. And I've seen you do that consistently for 2 years.
Yeah.
And there's not many people in this industry that will do that. You have a lot of younger kids who are unreliable and people who don't take it seriously. But how are you supposed to build proper foundations? How are you supposed to build a proper business if you can't do the fundamental basics, which is show up on time, for example?
Yes. Discipline is very important. Even your screenshot,
discipline.
cover of your phone is.
Discipline is everything, man.
Yup.
Every solution to your problem in your life involves discipline.
Yeah.
And the problem is, it's the boring stuff. It's the waking up at 6 a.m. every single day, even if you're tired. Making sure you go to the gym, even if you don't feel like going to the gym.
Yeah.
Making sure that you have a stop loss. You manage your risk, knowing when to walk away. Trading is all about discipline.
Absolutely. And in terms of now the education and the system and the structure that has been created in our space, and
Yeah.
what we've worked on so hard for, what's your opinion about that?
I think that we modeled this off similar to what's going on in the US,
Yeah.
mixed with what's going on in Europe. And now we're trying to implement that in the Middle East. We're trying to bring an academy, trying to bring a one-stop shop
Yes.
for anyone who wants to understand how to get into this industry. And I don't think it's done yet the way that we're doing it.
Yeah.
And I think that a lot of the people watching this and new clients that come in are going to be blown away with the amount of education, the amount of value which
Super
is
exciting.
given to people.
Yeah.
But also the execution side. We don't only talk the talk, we actually walk the walk. We actually take trades live. We actually show our wins, we show our losses, we show our mistakes. And there's not a lot of people in this industry that do that. They hide behind ambiguity.
You've seen so many other people, you've seen it all, and you and I, we both know how much lies are out there. What do you think about, like me as a person, how much do you think is a lie and how much is a reality?
Look, I mean, from what I can see, there isn't any lies that come from you. You're very straightforward. Let's all be honest, we've all lost money in this game.
Absolutely.
You know, anyone who tells you that they haven't lost money trading is a liar. Anyone who tells you that they're 100% profitable is a liar. And this is a long game, man. You can be profitable for a year. You can have 2 profitable years. Can you actually make a living out of this for 10 years? There's not many people that can. There's not many people that can show their account and show the truth.
Yes.
And, you know, there's wins and losses, and you need to own up to it. You need to be honest.
You got to own up to it for sure. And you've seen the profitable days, you've seen the lost days. I want you to talk about how am I on a losing day?
Look, not many people understand, and I've been around a lot of traders, and I've been friends with traders as well, and good friends, where like I respect them and I care about them. And on a losing day, your ability to walk away is very important.
Key.
And to not let it really affect you deep in, even though it does affect you. There's no way that it doesn't.
Yeah.
But it's how do you let that eat away at you? Now, the biggest problem that I see with traders is their confidence. You take 1 hit, you take 2 hits, and that can destroy your whole confidence. And that's when you need to take a step back. And I've seen you take a step back and say, yo, wait,
Yeah.
I'm not going to do this for a week. I'm not going to do it for 2 weeks. Let me reset.
Yes.
Let me reframe my mind and then come back with it fresh. And that's so important, man. Otherwise, you're going to burn out.
Resetting is a key ability. Being able to do that is so powerful. I have learned this. I've seen it so many times. Many people, mistakes are normal.
Yeah.
Doing mistakes or something not going in your favor, because life, this world will be such a beautiful place if everything just fell in our lap and everything just went how we want it to be.
But it doesn't.
It doesn't. That's so important, and I learned from it. I understand it. Sometimes things just don't go how we want them to go. Like
Yeah.
I want every time this day to be sunny day, but it can't be.
Yeah.
Some days it's gonna be rain. Some days it's gonna be storm. Gotta be ready for it and just move on. So
I think what a lot of people don't understand is that if you want to become an actual trader for a living, it's a business.
yes,
It's not a sport. It's not a hobby. It's a business. It happens to be a one-man business. It happens to be you against a screen, which is a lonely place. And the one point about it is that actually everyone should take this into account. But when you take a losing trade, there's no one else to blame but yourself.
yeah,
You had all the information there. You clicked the button. You knew how much money was in your account. You knew how much you were willing to risk. You knew every single parameter and you lost money. And that brings accountability. And there's no one else that you can blame. And in business, at the end of the day, when you have a team of 100 people under you, if there's a mistake, someone made a mistake, the guy cleaning the burger shop, for example, makes a mistake and somebody slips, it's your mistake.
yeah. You gotta own it.
You like, I remember
people there.
yesterday I was having a conversation with somebody and I'm really upset with them because I don't think that they're performing in one of my businesses. And I told them, I expressed how upset I was and I said, it's my mistake. I can't blame you. It's my mistake.
Yeah, yeah.
But I'm really, really upset
Yeah.
that I allowed you to be so fucking lousy. You know, and that ownership is everything in life. That's discipline, ownership to yourself.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. And I want you to be completely honest. Tell me, why do you think us and me, or being with me, people don't feel lonely? Like everyone is in there, everyone is getting education, everyone's learning. What is it that makes us stand out?
I think what makes us stand out is that we just offer a wide spectrum of different ways that you can learn. Like, if you want to learn by watching a YouTube video, it's there. If you want to learn by reading a PDF, it's there. If you want to actually say, fuck it, I don't want to learn, I just want to actually like take a trade and feel it and understand why that trade was taken, we have that as well. So people learn in different ways, and people have different amounts of time. An 18-year-old who has the summer off has 3 months where he can do everything. A working professional who wants to learn this because they've seen their friend making money might not have so much time, and they have the money, so they want to get their hands dirty straight away. So whatever you are on the spectrum, however old you are, whatever part of your journey that you're in, we got you. And I don't think there's a lot of communities that do that.
So now, bro, like, of course, before you met me, I just want to help understand.
Sure.
How was your life before, and how is it after? How has what we've got has helped you? Where have you come now? Just walk us through, maybe.
I think, look, before we met, I was obviously involved in the FX industry. I was involved in trading, but I didn't find somebody who I could actually like really dig in deep and work together with to bring something about in this industry. I had relationships with multiple people, but it's you and another person, another individual who really I clicked with. And I said, you know what, I can build a business together with these people. Not only do I trust them, but we have aligned vision and we can see the end goal where we want to get to. And I think that's very important. But at the end of the day, it's all execution. So a lot of people, you can have the vision, but then nobody executes and nobody carries forward. And I think another thing which is important is just having good vibes. Like sometimes you just vibe with someone. You know what I mean? And it's not work, it's pleasure. And I think that we have that together. So it's been a great journey, honestly, so far. And I mean, there's way more coming as well.
Way more, absolutely. What a crazy time with you, bro. Thank you so much for giving all the information. Now, before we finish this, I want you to share your opinion and your idea. What would be your final giveaway or advice to everyone who's watching this?
Well, I think you framed it earlier, is that you need to find a community of like-minded individuals to help you on your journey. That's going to allow you to cut all the crap, number one. And you need to find a community that you enjoy being around. So test them out. No one's saying come to our community, you know. But if you like what we have to offer, consume it. If you enjoy it, then come into the premium side of it. And I'm sure you won't regret it. And a lot of people leave and they always come back.
Oh, yeah.
Because there's a lot of crap out there in this industry. And that's the reason why it's regulated. And that's the reason why you have just people who are trying to do something different. And then the people who are just doing and mimicking everybody else.
Yeah, you know.
And we're on the different side.
Yeah, you know what's very crazy, yeah? Many people, they come up to me and they say to me that being around what we have in this academy, this educational place, we feel like someone cares.
Yeah.
There's a sense of care.
Yeah.
And many people don't get that in other places.
It's a human touch, man.
Yes, absolutely. Like being able to hear that is a blessing.
Yeah.
Like someone saying that you actually care, you actually put the work and effort in, is worth more than the money.
Yeah.
Is worth more than anything. That's what a entrepreneur look for. For someone to be turning around and saying that, yeah, man, like I rate that.
For sure.
I respect that.
Definitely.
And I guess we're gonna carry on doing what we're doing. And no, I take it back. We're gonna make it even better than what we are doing.
Always, bro.
And we're gonna absolutely go crazy.
Always, man.
Thank you, my man.
It's a pleasure.
Yeah.
Yalla. See you.